Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can create folder in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create a folder in Yahoo Mail, first of all you need to open your Yahoo Mail app, and once you open it you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the new folder icon on the left hand side of the corner and type in any of the name you want to name your folder as. So once you name it, you can see that a new folder has been created on your Yahoo Mail. So following this step, you can add as many folders you want to add in your Yahoo Mail app. So simply click on new folder again and type in a new name and create it following these simple easy steps. So this is how you can create your own folder on your Yahoo Mail app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.